Open the folder and go to Downloads to select the generator. Double-click the generator to open it. Then go to Scripting in the top bar. Now you can see the script. Click the Start button at the top to start the generator. In the top menu on the far left, you'll find Layout. Click on it, and you'll discover the Dragon generator there. If the generator hasn't appeared yet, press N on your keyboard, and you'll see it. Now you can create any dragon you like, exactly the way you want it. Now you can select and download any file format.